Working with tax professionals and advisors in apartment investing is, well, essential. Collaborating with these experts helps investors develop effective tax strategies, ensure compliance, and optimize tax outcomes. Certified public accountants, tax attorneys, and other tax experts bring specialized knowledge that helps investors navigate complex tax laws, maximize deductions and credits, and prepare for potential audits. Effective communication and teamwork between investors, property managers, and tax advisors enable a proactive approach to tax planning and strengthen overall financial success. Key concepts in working with tax professionals include understanding the benefits of their expertise. These professionals play a crucial role in helping investors achieve their financial goals through tailored tax strategies and informed decision-making. Specialized tax knowledge is a key asset. Tax professionals, particularly those with real estate experience, are well-versed in the tax laws, deductions, and credits relevant to apartment investing. They can help identify tax-saving opportunities that may not be immediately apparent to investors. Strategic tax planning is another critical aspect. CPAs and tax advisors assist in developing long-term tax strategies, such as leveraging 131 exchanges, depreciation planning, and cost segregation studies. Their expertise supports tax-efficient decision-making both before and after property acquisition. Compliance and risk management. Tax advisors ensure accurate tax reporting, minimizing the risk of penalties or issues during an IRS audit. They also provide audit representation and assist in preparing necessary documentation to support deductions and claims. Roles and expertise of different tax professionals. Certified public accountants, or CPAs, focus on tax preparation, tax planning, and financial statement analysis. They calculate tax liabilities, recommend tax-saving strategies, and ensure compliance with tax laws. CPAs also play a key role in preparing and filing tax returns. Tax attorneys specialize in handling complex legal matters, such as estate planning, tax structuring, and representing clients in disputes with tax authorities. They assist with legal aspects of tax strategies and provide guidance on asset protection. Cost segregation experts conduct detailed studies to identify shorter-lived assets within a property, helping accelerate depreciation deductions. They collaborate with CPAs to integrate these deductions into overall tax planning. Some tax advisors specialize in real estate, combining knowledge of tax regulations with insights into real estate finance. They offer comprehensive guidance tailored to the unique needs of real estate investors. All right, let's talk about something crucial: the importance of collaboration and communication. In any successful venture, especially in apartment investing, these two elements can make all the difference. By working together and keeping clear lines of communication, we can avoid misunderstandings and ensure everyone is on the same page. So remember, collaboration and communication are key to achieving our goals. Integrating tax planning with property management. Regular communication between property managers and tax professionals ensures that relevant expenses, maintenance costs, and capital improvements are accurately tracked and reported for tax purposes. Proactive planning. Collaborating with tax advisors on upcoming transactions like property sales or large capital improvements enables proactive planning for potential tax implications and maximizes tax benefits. Regular updates and check-ins. Holding periodic check-ins with tax professionals keeps investors informed of any regulatory changes or emerging tax-saving opportunities, ensuring that strategies remain aligned with goals. Example: CPAs can guide investors on strategies such as cost segregation, managing depreciation recapture, and conducting tax-efficient property exchanges. They also help with routine tax preparation and filings, ensuring accurate and timely compliance with IRS requirements.